My beloved President Michael, Colonel Michael, honored and respected, write a noble chapter for Madagascar, a brighter future, a shining star. Many are waiting for you to fail, hoping your vision will lose its trail. But when you bring the winds of change, their mocking voices will sound so strange. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Madagascar's future has just begun. Nothing forbids our nation to rise. Nothing can stop us from touching the skies. Take our homeland to greater heights. Guide us forward with wisdom and light. Beloved Michael, hear our call. Stand for the people, stand for us all. Critics laugh and the doubters speak, but progress belongs to the brave, not the weak. Let your actions answer every word. Let the voice of development be heard. Madagascar is meant to grow, to flourish strong, and let the whole world know that our island can proudly stand, a beacon of hope across the land. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Madagascar's future has just begun. Nothing forbids our nation to rise. Nothing can stop us from touching the skies. Take our homeland to greater heights. Guide us forward with wisdom and light. Beloved Michael, hear our call. Stand for the people, stand for us all. May the ancestors bless your way. If your heart seeks good each day, may the spirits of Madagascar's past help build a future that will last. If you are ready, strong and true, the hopes of a nation will walk with you. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Let a new era be born at dawn. Madagascar will proudly rise, reaching beyond the distant skies. Beloved Michael, our voices unite for peace, for progress, for a brighter light. Write your story in history's flame and bring our nation honor and My beloved President Michael, Colonel Michael, honored and respected, write a noble chapter for Madagascar, a brighter future, a shining star. Many are waiting for you to fail, hoping your vision will lose its trail. But when you bring the winds of change, their mocking voices will sound so strange. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Madagascar's future has just begun. Nothing forbids our nation to rise. from touching the skies. Take our homeland to greater heights. Guide us forward with wisdom and light. Beloved Michael, hear our call. Stand for the people, stand for us all. The critics laugh and the doubters speak, but progress belongs to the brave, not the weak. Let your actions answer every word. Let the voice of development be heard. Madagascar is meant to grow, to flourish strong, and let the whole world know that our island can proudly stand, a beacon of hope across the land. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Madagascar's future has just begun. Nothing forbids our nation to rise. Nothing can stop us from touching the skies. Take our homeland to greater heights. Guide us forward with wisdom and light. Beloved Michael, hear our call. Stand for the people, stand for us all. May the ancestors bless your way. If your heart seeks good each day, may the spirits of Madagascar's past help build a future that will last. If you are ready, strong and true, the hopes of a nation will walk with you. Lead us higher, Michael, lead us on. Let a new era be born at dawn. Madagascar will proudly rise, reaching beyond the distant skies. Beloved Michael, our voices unite for peace, for progress, for a brighter light. Write your story in history's flame and bring our nation